Hello guys, we Nyantechi TV and our she. Nyantechi TV a channel yedi ama Asante Kotoko team no na ebrebia ye bro updates from Asante Kotoko and what the team is doing. We a pre-season day 1. Our team no akopi ewo Cape Coast now more prepare against Kwara United all the way in Nigeria ewo Confederation Cup. As in Yankupon Yadumana Asante Kotoko etimi emerge victorious from the two-legged affair, and as a two-leg affair na yebebo Kumasi first and I bebo Ghana, whether Babayara or whether Accra Sports Stadium and any other venue in Ghana. Na yasako board the second encounter na second leg ewo Kwara United ewo Nigeria na Kotoko timi emerge victorious and I say or triumphant over this team my friend Kwara Kotoko ne work of Morocco without Casablanca team no and Asante Kotoko ene ne kwakobo na dinti na Kotoko team no training ewo beach said you won who man open you talk omunemu awu but you could see say all the players and the technical team, the coaches and on the backroom staffs nyina ewo ponano a omo training, training along the beach team papa. Now, one of the major advantages a woman say they do this to improve their functional strength. Ahwodino here edi abobo no say we yes eboa mane kosro papa. Then again, they are also doing this said the cardiovascular fitness and also will be enhanced. Cardiovascular anything for cardio ho yakoma and want some, so training at the beach and so boa ema wakoma no etimi de enya hoden sonko what the bebo because you need a lot of strength and I say unya hoden bebre now they are training at beach. So when you come on the field where baby I prepare and say bobola and I say deliver say kama because hona nwe bi anywhere twa sign but I had ayana easy. And again they are also building on their agility and also boardens again finally me feel say their mental toughness is also built more now more na because Africa no and easy so about Africa that we need a certain kind of strength, a certain kind of mental toughness and how they are born Africa. It is a unama na dina wo corner to sana wo no e ma unya hoden foforo means unya pictures na wujina na wonne Kwara United and also on the work of Morocco nearby and just say and your unya na won't spend a crowd. Then finally I feel say they also build on their strength and endurance and they can endurance how to endure easy do baby at me say unemu pain no said the idea tie na so they are show na unemu said the be ya enya afenati mu de bia ni edi de na so unemu nti se wutimi be fan nwemu be ye beach training na mansuo bo na oye na unemu a unya tisi park no so achese America wo kono ne ahoden ade bobo no ko bibie ni wa onye de hunhunu bida nti omo support team no Kwara United omo team na nche omo shada ni Anes bia omo shada njeje trophy ema mo ko manim se de Kotoko history nti we nye team Asante Kotoko team nye de enche no nti we feel say this is the point where everybody must also come together or come on board for us to jointly support the team in prayer and in every kind. Can be a first be a bit about team, whether in cash or in kind, spiritual support, financial support, young crying, say they can do it. Na omunko fan kunim die nye den emfamra nti wo hwe say the omosi tumrika wan nwenim na enye easy inti yeda AKSC Media Asante Kotoko Sporting Club Media omo na ma yetimi nya video ya yenso yedi bi ye program inti yeda mase pa se mokoso amo subscribe to this channel nyakopon hira mu nyina na mokoso enhwe Nyantechi TV. God richly bless you.